Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are at this time of the month, 1st of May 2025. So, of course, the first day of the month, we look at the Windows market share. What is happening with Windows 10 and Windows 11? The battle of when one will be more popular than the other. So, if we look at the month of May, well, of course, this is numbers for April. So we get to the numbers that are 52.9% of computers are running Windows 10. That's down from 54.2. So the decline of Windows 10 is continuing. It's not as fast as the first few months of the year, but it's there. And of course, who's taking advantage of this? So if we look here, this 54.2 to 52.9 is roughly 1.3%. So 42.7 to 43.7 is 1%. So the majority probably of the loss here went into Windows 11 growing. So this is kind of cool. When will they actually reach the same number, or even Windows 11 get higher? It's going to be interesting to see. At that speed, we could have a change somewhere in the second half of this year, that's for sure. Still, 52.9% for Windows 10 at 6 months of before it actually is end of support is a pretty high number. We've never ever seen that before. So this is kind of interesting to see. As for the rest, of course, Windows 7 at 2.4, and the rest is like really, really minimal. It's interesting to see that Windows XP is actually more popular than Windows 8 and 8.1. It's kind of funny, but these are so small numbers. So 52.9%, still high, but it's still going down. So slowly, Windows 11 is making ground. What month is that going to, when actually this year Windows 11 will be higher than Windows 10? It's definitely going to happen this year, but probably in the second half. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.